Going.
Your tweet.
Oh, what's tweet?
Tweet. All right. I'm sorry.
What's tweet and what do I have to get going?
Tweet is sweet. We get
And
tweet.
what should I get going?
No,
1, 2, 3, 7.
Wait, what did I just say right now?
I said you have to get it going.
Yeah, get it going. The house is sad.
No, what?
Get it going. Like you just say it right.
I can't.
And you know what I've noticed about you lately? Your tweet. Since the other day I told you that, I was like, I wish makes me happy. Like people, say my sayings here and there. You've been saying them, like not a lot, but just you just putting it out there.
I heard what they played back his diary room session to me, and he talked so much crap on you.
Oh, I bet.
I'm being serious.
Actually, they played it back.
No, I'm being dead serious on accident.
How sad that you're lying.
Oh, I was sick right now. How sad.
Danielle and I are going to make love.
What did you dream about her?
We kissed.
Really, like a real kiss?
I kissed him.
Did you really?
She initiated it, but then I thought to myself, Eric, no, this is a bad idea. But then it was so good. I was like, maybe.
Oh, God.
And what can I say?
Whatever.
She had a lot of lip
know,
gloss on, I remember.
Really? That
Did I
detail.
molest you with my eyes?
No, but I remember thinking, I'm going to get this all over me.
Ew.
What were you guys doing? Just like what?
We were having a conversation,
Well, I'm sure she's leaning
and
and
she
kissed
took it
you.
to another place.
Did girl?
We're a worm. Look at these clouds.